Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through step by step on how to make cute woolen flower using pencils. To begin, tie to secure the wool on the pencil. Wrap the wool in between the pencils for 15 times. Then attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to secure the woolen design. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Now, pull the woolen design out from the pencils and sew to secure one side. Make the designs 6 and sew them together to make cute woolen flower. Then sew in a medium-sized bead at the center to make the flower flawless and more beautiful. I know you guys will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.